Are you tired of chasing dollars with outdated methods? What if I told you that right now, from your laptop or even your phone, you could start building a digital product empire that generates $1,000 a week, without inventory, without running a single ad, and without needing to be a social media celebrity? Sounds wild, right? But it's not a fantasy. Thousands of people are doing it quietly, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how. This isn't about drop shipping or affiliate marketing. We're diving into the power of digital products, the one business model that works for creators, professionals, and complete beginners alike. These are products you create once, sell forever, and scale infinitely without any extra cost. Think eBooks, online courses, digital templates, audio files, Notion setups, coaching PDFs, or even mobile presets. You don't need a warehouse, a shipping department, or a big budget. All you need is the right approach and a smart system. So if you've been looking for a way to escape the 9-to-5, boost your income, or simply build something meaningful that runs on autopilot, you're in the right place. This is your roadmap. And trust me, it's a lot simpler than you've been led to believe. Stick around till the end because I'll even show you how to automate the entire process using tools that do the selling for you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly insights, and let's dive straight into the playbook that can change your income forever. 1. Understand why digital products are gold right now. The shift to digital isn't coming, it's already here. And while most people are still chasing physical businesses or relying on content monetization through ads, the smartest creators and entrepreneurs are quietly making 5 to 6 figures a month selling digital products. Why? Because digital products scale without limit. You create something once, a guide, template, course, or tool, and then sell it endlessly to a global market. There's no need to restock, repackage, or even be present for delivery. It's the ultimate, make once, sell forever, model. Plus, profit margins are insane. You're not paying manufacturers, suppliers, or shipping companies. Every sale is almost pure profit, and the best part? This business model works for nearly any niche. Whether you're into fitness, finance, design, productivity, or parenting hacks, there's a digital product that fits. The modern customer wants instant solutions. And if your product solves a real problem or saves someone time, they'll happily pay. Even better, buyers can access your product 24/7. That means your store can make money while you're asleep, on vacation, or working on your next project. Once you understand the value of owning digital assets, it's hard to go back to anything else. 2. Find a profitable problem, not just a passion. A lot of people say, follow your passion. That's not terrible advice, but when it comes to making money with digital products, passion alone won't cut it. What you really want is a problem people are actively searching to solve. The bigger the pain point, the easier it is to sell a digital solution, so start by listening. What are people asking in Reddit threads, Facebook groups, or Quora? What videos are getting tons of views in your niche? What frustrations do people keep bringing up again and again? When you spot a common complaint or an unmet need, that's your signal. Your digital product should directly solve that problem in a fast, simple, and valuable way. The more specific your solution, the better. Don't just sell a fitness guide. Sell a 30-day home workout plan for busy moms. Don't just create a budgeting spreadsheet. Make a debt-free tracker for freelancers. People pay for targeted solutions, not vague promises. Find the pain, solve it, and your product becomes irresistible. 3. Choose your product type based on your skills. You don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to choose the right format for what you already know or love doing. If you're good at explaining things, an ebook or mini course might be perfect. If you're a designer, templates for Canva, Notion, or PowerPoint can be gold. If you're a data nerd, create plug-and-play spreadsheets. If you're into wellness, sell audio meditations. The beauty of digital products is that you can work within your strengths. You're not trying to become a master of all trades, you're just packaging your value in the right form. Don't overcomplicate it. Some of the most profitable digital products are also the simplest. A PDF checklist, a 1-hour workshop, or a swipe file of email templates can sell like crazy if it solves a real-world need. Focus on ease of use. People want results fast. Your product should take them from problem to solution as quickly as possible. When your digital product is clear, useful, and easy to consume, your customers will love it and come back for more. 4. Validate your idea before you create it. Before you spend weeks designing a beautiful product, make sure people actually want it. Validation is the secret sauce to saving time and maximizing profit. Start by asking your audience, run polls, offer a free sample version, and track downloads. Join forums and ask questions. You don't need thousands of followers, you just need feedback from your ideal buyer. This step alone can make or break your digital product business. Another powerful validation tactic is pre-selling. Create a simple landing page with a mock-up, a strong headline, and a call to action. Coming soon. Buy now for 50% off. If people buy before the product is finished, that's a strong green light. If no one buys, you haven't wasted time building something no one wants. The goal is to create based on demand, not hope. Think of yourself as a digital problem solver, not just a creator. When you know what people want, making $1,000 a week becomes not just possible, but inevitable. 5. Design it once, but make it look premium. Your product doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to look good. Clean, simple, and polished wins every time. People judge the value of digital products based on design, even if the content is great. Use free tools like Canva or Figma to create stunning covers, page layouts, and branded visuals. If design isn't your thing, hire a freelancer once, and reuse the same branding for all your products. High-quality presentation builds trust and boosts conversions. Think of your digital product as a reflection of your brand. Would you rather buy a workbook that looks like a Word doc or one that feels like a premium experience? The more professional your product appears, the easier it is to charge higher prices, and the more likely customers are to share it with others. Remember, digital doesn't mean low value, it means scalable value. So design with care, because that one product could generate income for years. 6. Set up a simple sales system, no tech headache. You don't need a fancy website to start selling. Use platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or StanStore to get up and running in minutes. They handle the checkout, delivery, and even payment processing. All you have to do is upload your product, write a compelling product description, and add a price. That's it, no coding, no inventory, no stress, and the best part, you keep control. If you want to get fancy later, you can build your own website or connect to tools like ConvertKit, Thrivecart, or Kajabi. But in the beginning, simplicity wins. The faster you go live, the faster you start learning what works and earning. Focus on building a system that works in the background. Set it and forget it. Let automation handle the delivery and customer emails while you focus on creating more or marketing better. That's how you turn a one-time hustle into long-term, passive profit. 7. Drive traffic with content, no paid ads needed. You don't need a huge audience or ad budget to sell digital products. What you need is smart content that attracts the right people. Start posting tips, mini tutorials, and behind-the-scenes peeks on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter. Share value, then direct people to your product. Give away 10% of your knowledge for free, and sell the remaining 90% in your product. The trick is consistency. Pick one platform and go all in for 30 days. Answer common questions, share quick wins, and use strong calls to action. Download my free checklist, link in bio, or DM me, guide, for the link. This creates a flow of warm leads without spending a dime on ads. Over time, your content becomes a funnel, and your digital product becomes the solution people are already looking for. There you have it, the step-by-step roadmap to making $1,000 per week selling digital products without any inventory, ads, or overwhelm. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Digital products are the future, and you're now equipped with the knowledge to tap into this powerful income stream. Whether you're just getting started or looking to grow your online business, this model gives you freedom, scale, and control. So what are you waiting for? Start small, but start today. Pick a problem, build your solution, and launch. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more deep dives like this every week. Let's build your digital wealth, one product at a time. The freedom you've been chasing, it's already possible now. It's your move.